Another job that I think is AI proof, even though it will be impacted by AI, is production support. So these are the people that I consider the police officers of the digital world. You may say cybersecurity. Sure, cybersecurity prevents a lot of attacks. I consider cybersecurity more like the FBI. They handle like these large scale attacks. Sure, they'll handle some small scale attacks, but focus on the big stuff, and the big stuff just leads to the small stuff. But I consider production support more like police officers within the local environments. To give you an example, well, first of all, let me explain what production support is, and then let me tie it to police officers. Production support is whenever code is deployed in a live production environment, production support makes sure everything is functioning appropriately. Let's say the code is not functioning appropriately, it's impacting transactions, and the client complains about it. It is up to production support to troubleshoot the issue, to get everyone on a Zoom call, reach a root cause, get the issue fixed, and articulate the root cause to the client. Now, the reason that this is a lot like police officers is because in politics, a lot of these governors, they're always talking about we want to we want to make something really safe. We want to make a town super safe. Okay, let's say you do want to make the town super safe, and it becomes really safe. Do you get rid of the police officers? Think about that. You have a super safe town. There has been no crime in the past 5 years. You get rid of the police officers. The answer is no. It doesn't matter how safe your town is, you always want police officers. Why? Because just in case something bad happens, a police officer is able to resolve the issue. It's the same thing with production systems. Even if a system has not broken in 3 years, do you want to get rid of production support? No, you don't, because just in case it breaks, you don't want to go to a computer and be like, "What happened?" No, 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 that's not what I mean. No, no, this is what I mean. You just want to talk to a human. And other times, the clients want to just talk to a human, just to yell at that human. "Well, how could you guys let something like this happen?" Right? So this is a role that I don't see going away anytime soon.